So what does the 1-1 rule have to do with email marketing? Well, if you're a service-based business, the 1-1 rule will actually save your email campaigns. Because look, don't you get overwhelmed when you get an email with so many links? At the end of reading the email, you say to yourself, wow, that was like a lot, right? It's crazy, but we don't even realize that when it comes to email, less is more. If you have a lot to say, just think about the content and try to separate the email into separate emails. You can send more emails later on that are more focused and they're going to drive more engagement from them. So the important point here is to focus on the 1-1-1. It goes like this. The first one. Before you even start writing your emails, think about the one goal. What is the one goal of this email? To get more engagement, to educate, to nurture, to say hi, to ask for advice, to whitelist your email. For what specific purpose are you sending this email? And this will help you to make sure that the email is right on point. The whole point of writing emails is to get a certain action from your audience, right? So when you're writing emails, just focus on one goal, just one. That will really help you to get more specific with your messaging. All right, the second one is about the one idea. What is the main idea when it comes to this email? If you're talking to parents about the program that you have coming up, then just stick to that one idea. You don't have to bring up that you also have a podcast guest coming up next week. The reason why focusing on one idea is great because it really keeps you grounded into what your message will be about. And if you have more than one idea, awesome, that's great. Write it down and create a separate email about it, all right? Your audience will actually love you because if you send them emails and email marketing is more effective, then they're gonna be more engaged. And when you're sending emails consistently, so you're just creating more content and more ideas, and it's all valuable content for your audience. So all you're doing is separating those ideas into separate emails. That's it. All right, let's go into the third one. And what is that? Well, what is the one call to action that you want your audience to perform? Click on the link to join your group, sign up for your program waitlist, whatever it is, this is your one call to action that you will be sending out. And the reason why you might consider just offering one call to action is because when people click on the link, they'll probably not go back to your email and click on your second link. So just like you and I, people are very busy. So stick with just one call to action. And you can place your call to action at the beginning, in the middle, at the end of your email, but no more than that, just 3 times throughout the email. 2 to 3 seems to be more reasonable. Okay? All right, so now you know the 1-1-1 when it comes to sticking with emails that are more effective. Remember, less is more. One goal leads to one idea, which leads to one call to action. And more ideas can mean that you have more emails to write. Yes, for creating more content. Woohoo! So people attention span is short. So the 1-1-1 recipe allows you to be more focused on what you have to say, and your audience will respond much better to just one command. There you have it. The 1-1-1 will hopefully help you next time you feel overwhelmed about the kind of emails that you want to write. Again, my name is Mary Lenov, and if you need help with your emails, just let me know. Bye-bye. See you next time.